morning everyone. Today I, Pahel and I, Samriddhi of class 8 are here to represent a model that is automatic water tank alarm. An automatic water tank alarm is a simple device that helps us prevent the water from overflow. It helps us prevent the tank from damage. Now my friend Samriddhi will continue. So now we will tell you that how it works. When you fill 25% of water, water level on. Then we fill 50% of water. The yellow light will on. Then when we fill 75% of water, the green light will on. The buzzers tell us that the water tank has been filled and we should switch it off. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time to us.